In the world of project management, data is king. From tracking hundreds of tasks and dependencies to managing complex resource schedules and financial information, the sheer volume of data can quickly become overwhelming. This is particularly true for large-scale initiatives or portfolio-level management. When a tool like Smartsheet, which combines the familiarity of a spreadsheet with powerful project management features, is on the table, a critical question for any project manager or business analyst is, how does Smartsheet handle large datasets? As a project management expert, I've seen firsthand how a tool's ability to manage and perform with large amounts of data can make or break a project. Smartsheet is engineered to handle a surprising volume of data, but it's not a traditional database. Its approach is a hybrid, and understanding this is key to leveraging it effectively for large datasets. Smartsheet handles large datasets through a combination of sheet architecture, smart features, and strategic add-ons. The sheet architecture, a foundation of scalability. First, let's address the fundamental structure. A single Smartsheet sheet is where the majority of data lives. While it looks like a spreadsheet, it has a significant advantage over a typical Excel file. A standard Smartsheet can hold up to 20,000 rows and 400 columns. For many projects, this is more than enough. But what happens when your dataset exceeds these limits? This is where Smartsheet's smart functionality comes into play. Smartsheet encourages a different approach to data management than a single monolithic file. Instead of cramming all your data into one sheet, the platform is designed to link and reference data across multiple sheets. This is the first and most critical way it handles large datasets, by breaking them down into manageable, interconnected pieces. For example, you could have a main project dashboard sheet, a separate resource management sheet with all team members and their availability, multiple individual project sheets, each holding its own set of tasks, dependencies, and data, a client intake sheet that automatically populates a new project sheet when a form is submitted. This distributed yet linked architecture prevents any single sheet from becoming bloated and slow, a common problem with large Excel or Google Sheets files. Smart features for data aggregation and analysis. Handling large datasets isn't just about storage. It's about making that data useful. Smartsheet provides several features to aggregate, analyze, and visualize data from multiple sources. Formulas and cross-sheet linking. Smartsheet's formulas allow you to pull and analyze data from other sheets. You can create a master dashboard that summarizes key metrics, like budget versus actual, overall progress, or team utilization, by referencing data from dozens of smaller, project-specific sheets. This turns your large dataset into an easily digestible summary without ever having to open the underlying sheets. Reports. This is perhaps the most powerful feature for managing large datasets. A Smartsheet report is not a new sheet. It's a dynamic view of data from one or more sheets that meet specific criteria. For example, you could create a report that pulls all high-priority tasks assigned to a specific team member across all projects, regardless of which sheet they live on. This allows you to slice and dice your data without having to copy and paste, ensuring the data is always up-to-date and accurate. For a project manager overseeing a portfolio of 50-plus projects, a report can be an invaluable tool for gaining a portfolio-wide view of progress or risks. Dashboards. Dashboards are the presentation layer for all this aggregated data. They allow you to pull live data from sheets and reports and display it using widgets, charts, and graphs. This provides a single pane of glass view of your entire operation, pulling from potentially hundreds of thousands of data points without any performance lag. A large dataset is only as useful as its ability to be understood, and Smartsheet's dashboards are essential for this. Strategic add-ons for advanced data management. For enterprises or projects with truly massive datasets and complex needs, Smartsheet offers additional tools and integrations that elevate its capabilities beyond the standard platform. Data Shuttle. This is a crucial add-on for businesses that need to get data into or out of Smartsheet from external systems. Data Shuttle can import large datasets from Excel, Google Sheets, or cloud storage platforms, like Amazon S3, into a Smartsheet. Crucially, it can also export data, allowing you to move information from Smartsheet into a data warehouse or another business intelligence tool for more complex analysis. This feature makes Smartsheet an excellent front end for data collection and management, even if the final analysis happens elsewhere. Dynamic View. For projects with very large numbers of stakeholders, Dynamic View provides a secure, role-based view of a sheet's data. Instead of sharing a massive sheet with everyone, which can be overwhelming and risky, Dynamic View allows you to show each person only the data they need to see. For example, a customer could only see the status of tasks related to their project, while the project manager sees everything. This ensures data integrity and security while still providing access to a large dataset. Bridge. This automation tool allows you to build complex workflows that can handle vast amounts of data by orchestrating actions across multiple sheets, forms, and external systems. You can create complex business processes that are triggered by data changes, making Smartsheet an automation engine for your large datasets.